Hey, this is Mindy Hall. We are on Rocky Mountain Road, and this is a very special home. I wanted to give you a quick tour. It's 2 acres, unrestricted, very peaceful. Within a mile or two of the Blue Ridge Parkway, and the yard is completely fenced. Not the 2 acres, but the yard is completely fenced. And this porch is screened. It's gorgeous. And they're individual screens. So this is screen proof. This is your outdoor living space. And there's the Blue Ridge Parkway right behind us. We'll go inside in just a second, but there is abundant outdoor living space. Things are just starting to bloom. Lots of flowers and shrubs going to be popping out here any day now. There is an alarm system, so we have to use this door. This home has gas logs and a heat pump. They say they've only used the air conditioning twice because they open these doors. And since it's screened, it lets in all these cool mountain breezes. Try not to go too fast. Got some great wallpaper and a beautiful kitchen. They've installed granite countertops in the kitchen. There's hardwood flooring throughout the rest of the home. You've got good windows. You've got a brand new roof. The roof was installed the 1st of April in 2020. This side door goes out to a small deck where the gas grill is directly connected to the propane tank that fuels the gas logs, and you have this fabulous outdoor fireplace. They have really enjoyed life in the mountains. Take you on a quick tour. The rest of the main floor upstairs is another full bedroom and a full bathroom. This is your master. We've got a full closet, a full bath here with a pocket door that closes off a half bath. So your bath is private, and there is another full bath upstairs. You've got a stackable washer and dryer and just a broom closet here. This is it. This is Mindy Hall. We're at 119 Rocky Mountain Road in Sparta. This is a beautiful mountain home on 2 acres. Give me a call, 423-718-8452. Thank you.